Okay, I'm starting out with 6 of these Easter egg truck shape treat containers from Dollar Tree and some of the Cracker Square felt letters. I'm going to pull out 6 letters to spell out spring. I think this will be just the cutest little spring sign with the trucks. My little guy, he really likes these, and it's just fun. It's different than just using eggs or the bunnies to spell out spring. Okay. So I think it would be nice to have them turn to the side like this rather than straight on. That way you can see the full truck. So I'm just gonna put it right on the side of the trucks, on the door, the passenger door. Okay, and I'm just going to use one of these Dollar Tree word plaques to sit my trucks on. Turn them sideways. Okay. Super easy, quick DIY, but oh so cute with these colorful trucks, especially if you have kids. A really fun way to have a spring sign. And I'm going to add just a dab of hot glue to the wheel, this wheel part, because I just know my little guy's gonna want to pull these off and play with them. So just for a bit of staying power, a little hot glue. Couple pieces of little greenery. Piece of greenery there, and I don't want to block the letters. Yeah. I love this sign. It's so cute, colorful, and fun. Okay, so for my next fun project, I have these 2 packs of egg buckets that I found at Dollar Tree and a couple of drink lids. If you've been following me for a while, you know I like to reuse drink lids and jar tops as wheels. So I want to attach these to one of the buckets, and this is going to be a little egg car. Maybe we'll do the yellow. And I'm gonna use tumbling tower blocks to hold the wheels on. Just be like that to hold it on. So to make this egg car more sturdy, I added another tumbling tower block to the bottom so it would be set up like reverse tricycle wheels. Once the block was set, I added another lid to complete my third wheel. And then one more top was used to make a steering wheel. And then it was time to fill this little egg car with a driver and some fun contents. I added a bunny driver and eggs to complete this project. I hope you enjoyed these 2 fun, bright colored spring projects. Please like and subscribe.